Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and check your sent follow request right there in Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is simply go ahead, open your Instagram first. Once you open your app, let me show you something. If you will tap on your profile icon given below, and now you will tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner of profile. Tap on that icon, tap on this your activity, and if you go down, you won't be able to find any of the options called where you can get the send request option. So for that purpose, you will have to tap on this download your information option below. Tap on that option and tap request a download, and you will choose your account and tap on the next option, and now select information. So select the type of information, tap on the select type of information, and now choose what you want. So we want the sent following, right? So tap on this followers and following, choose that option, tap on next, and now tap on this submit request option. So this way you will simply submit a request to Instagram, and Instagram will read your data. Once you're done, you will be able to find this download option instead of cancel. Once you're done download, it will be a zip file, and if your mobile have access to a zip file opener, you will simply be able to open and check the pending request. Otherwise, you will simply go to your Play Store and download any of the zip file opener or app, and you can open that file, paste it there. So this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I will be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.